Now listen to part of a lecture in a United States history class.
Because America is such a large country, it took a while before everyone in all areas could really share a common culture. When America was first being settled, people traveled thousands of miles to settle the new areas. There was little communication between everyone in their remote areas. Americans in their different places spoke different English, had different customs, wore different clothes, and lived different and separate lives. There were two important inventions that helped link Americans to each other and thus helped us all to have more of a common culture. Thanks to the automobile being produced in mass in the 1920s, people were able to travel more easily to visit other towns and cities. Now, people who lived in small cities and towns, with the help of their automobile, were able to quickly travel to big cities and other locations. By being exposed to other Americans so frequently, goods were exchanged easier, as well as culture, speech, and other behaviors. People could also take vacations to distant places that they had never been before and take with them their culture, as well as bring back that of Americans living in distant areas. Another important invention that helped keep our language more homogeneous through time was the radio. As the purchasing of cars increased, so did that of radios. People listened to nationally syndicated radio programs all over America. There were radio dramas, radio musicals, and public addresses by presidents. By all listening to the same programs, speech and culture were shared by people all over the nation.
Now get ready to answer the question. Explain how the automobile and radio helped contribute to a common culture in America. Use examples and details from the lecture in your answer.